you go. Cattlemen. That's all of it.
Where's Kim?
We moved over to the East Wing.
The East Wing? That's the cornfield. Why are you sending her to the cornfield, Howard?
Never heard it called that before.
Well, that's what you call it. You're gonna punish her just because you lost those two batshit Kettlemans? You notice I'm not exactly crowing over how I sneaked them away from you.
Jimmy, here are your files. I'm not going to discuss my employee policies with you.
I'm gonna need some help here.
Yeah, you sure are.
That prick firing you?
Best case scenario is my 2-year plan just became a 10-year plan.
That schmuck. You didn't do anything wrong.
I lost the client.
Not your fault. I'm not really playing with a full deck, those Kettlemans.
You had to take their case.
I'm sorry, okay? I tried. I really did.
I'm not being fair. Of course you tried to do what they want to do. Hope you didn't promise them too much. I doubt